Whew. Good morning, y'all. Right now it's almost 8 o'clock in the morning, and today I'm heading out to Ocean Beach like I said I would to do some surf fishing. Let's go. Alrighty guys, I just made it to Ocean Beach, and today I brought my Akuma Celilo or Celilo. I'm not really sure how you pronounce that, but I got an Akuma spinning rod. It's an 8'6" salmon rod, and I got 40-pound braid. You can use any brand that you want, your preference. With a 10-pound fluorocarbon leader. I have a 1-ounce sliding egg sinker with a trout bead and a snap swivel. And I have about a 2.5-foot leader, fluorocarbon leader. And the reel that I'm using is the Piscifun or Piscifun Venom spinning reel. It's really great. I've used it. I have it on my other Akuma rod, and it works fucking fantastic. I really like it. Yeah, this holds up to about 40-pound of braid and cast up to 290 yards, so it's perfect. And the bait that I'm going to be using today is the Camo 2-inch sandworm from Gulp, and that's gonna basically that's gonna allow me to catch a variety of surf fish species, but mainly today we're targeting surf perch. So without further ado, let's get out on the surf. First cast of the day. There we go. Oh, he just tucked that. Whoa! There we go. Finally. Oh, finally, baby. Yes. Oh, yeah. He just. Oh, don't tell me I lost. No, I didn't lose him. I thought I lost him for a sec. Woo! Yeah. Okay. No, he's still on. He's still on. Ooh, it's a nice red tail. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Finally. Been out here for about an hour now, and I finally got my first perch of the day. Nice looking red tail. Look at this guy. Woo! Finally. Oh. Ah, shit. Let's see. There we go. Alrighty, y'all, just unhooked the fish. He's a very nice, very pretty red tail surf perch. And I hope that means the bite is on fire now that I caught a very nice sized surf perch. I hope there's more of these guys. Let's get to fishing, y'all. Alright, thank you, buddy. Woo! There's one. There's another one. It's a good one. Woo! There we go. I think the bite's on fire, guys. I don't want to jinx myself, but I think I just found a school of surf perch riding out in the waves, hunting down the sand crabs. Look at this guy. Ooh, which one's? Oh shit! It's a very nice jack smelt. Oh shit! Did not expect to catch this at all. Look at this, guys. A nice ass jack smelt. Thought I bumped into a school of surf perch, but shit. Maybe there's both jack smelt and surf perch out there today. That's alright. These guys fight quite a bit. You can tell. Alright. Let's help this guy. Ah shit. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Come on. Work with me a little bit, man. Work with me. Just cooperate with me. There we go. Let's release this guy quickly back into the water. Oh shit. He's a beautiful jack smelt. Beautiful, beautiful jack smelt. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright. I'm gonna release him back into the wilderness now. Back to the ocean you go, buddy. There we go. Oh shit. Look at this, guys. I caught a very, very, very tiny barred surf perch. It's like a little baby. And yeah, no wonder why I felt something nibbling on my sandworm, and it turned out to be this little guy. Cool. Fish is still a fish. Let's unhook this guy and release him back into the surf. You're free, buddy. I just hooked onto another one. This guy seems to be a decent sized one. He's fighting a little bit harder. Looks to me like a surf perch. Yeah, it's it's a nice barred surf perch. Oh shit, he's bleeding out the gill, the left gill. Shit. It's a nice barred surf perch though. I don't think I gut hooked him, so I'm not sure why he's bleeding. Alrighty. Oh shit. Got blood everywhere. That's nasty. Just like that, unhooked him. Not sure why he's bleeding like he is, so we're just gonna throw him back into the water as quickly as possible. But he's a nice barred surf perch. Look at that, guys. Shit, that was gross. Blood just splattered on my face. Oh, look at that, guys. Very, very nice barred surf perch. Back into the wild he goes. Shit, did I hook one? 'Cause I'm feeling bites. Maybe he's already hooked himself on there. I think I might have actually had a fish on. Oh shit, I did. No wonder why I thought I was getting bites. He was, yeah. There we go. I thought he popped off my hook, but there he is. A little guy. Just as I predicted. A little dinker's biting my bait. And this guy took it. Didn't feel him. He's a tiny baby red tail. As y'all can tell by his prominent red tail. Cute little guy. We're gonna unhook him and then throw him back into the surf. Alrighty, y'all. Let's throw this lovely surf perch back into the ocean. This is fish number 5. Let's hope for some bigger ones, guys. Woo! Ah, there we go, got one. And this guy looks to be of a decent size. He's putting up a better fight. Finally, been getting some bites, but it looked like there were a bunch of dinkers, but this guy might be the one I'm looking for. Let's see. Ooh, look at this guy, he's a fighter. Woo! Yeah! Nice ass barred surf perch. There we go. This is what I'm after. Alrighty guys, look at that. Nice surf perch. Nice, beautiful surf perch too. Nice coloration. It's a barred surf perch. I know it doesn't have the markings on it, but I'm pretty sure this is a barred surf perch, just without the markings. Yeah. What? Alright, we're gonna release them back into the ocean. This is the 6th fish of the day. Pretty happy with how I can't form a sentence correctly. I'm pretty happy with how my fishing day has been so far. I just threw him back into the ocean. Oop, there's a bite. There we go. Got one. Yeah. Look at that fish flopping out the waves. Woo-wee. What we got here? Ooh, another barred surf perch. Nice. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's currently almost 1 o'clock. It's almost 1 o'clock. Yeah, it's almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and the fish are still biting. So that tells you that you can go out to surf in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Doesn't really matter for some beaches, I guess. It all depends on the location. And yeah, look at this fish. It's a beautiful barred surf perch. Lovely fish. Alright, calm down, buddy. Calm down. I fucking hit your spiky ass dorsal fins. Why the hell do you have spikes on your fins? Oh, fuck. These waves are getting a little bit bigger, perhaps, which is why they're feeding right now. All the sand crabs getting pushed out, getting all dislodged and whatnot, and these guys are feeding. Oh my god. Gosh. There we go. Alrighty. Look at this. Nice, beautiful fishy. There we go. God damn it. Ugh. Slippery ass bitch. We're gonna release them back into the surf now. Let's keep on fishing, guys. Catch some more. Woo! That feels good. That was my 7th fish. Let's keep on fishing. As John B says, never stop, y'all. Never stop. Whew. Alrighty, guys, so I just got done fishing at Ocean Beach. Today wasn't so bad. It wasn't my best day, but the action wasn't that bad. I caught 7 surf perch, or not 7. I caught 6 surf perch today and 1 jack smelt. So a total of 7 fishes today, which is pretty good. Not my best day, but definitely not my worst. I've seen worse. Y'all have seen worse, you know. Uvis, Almaden, all that, you know, all that shit. So lately, bass fishing has just been really slow. So I decided to change it up, come out to the beach, do some surf fishing, and it paid off. In the morning, the bite was really slow, which really surprised me because the morning bite's usually pretty good over here. But I guess it was kind of, the sun was already fully out, and the day was starting to warm up. So I guess maybe that's why the bite started to slow down a bit. But then it picked up again at about 10:30 to 11 when the tide starts to change. So that's really important when you're surf fishing, is to watch the tides and see how they change and whatnot. When the tides started to get higher, that's when I started to catch more fish. And then in the process, I had a big wave, like a fucking tsunami, hit me and fucking soak my shirt, pants, boxers, everything. My ball sack shrunk up like a raisin. God fucking damn, y'all know how cold it is out here in San Francisco. Fuck. That shit was fucking freezing. So that wasn't fun, and I was really pissed about that. But you know what? Catching those 7 fish made up for the bullshit that I had to deal with. But yeah, I don't know if I have anything else to say. I felt like I said "but" a lot. I don't know why. I didn't get a lot of sleep again last night. But there you go. I said "but" again. But yeah. I think that's pretty much it. I don't know which beach I'm gonna hit up next. I might just come back here because I really haven't figured out Ocean Beach yet. I'm really trying to figure out the pattern and whatnot so I can really nail this place down before I go out and explore other beaches. But who knows? I might feel more I might be in the exploring mood to go out and try another beach. But it's safe to say I'm definitely gonna come back here within the following week or 2. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'm gonna go get some food now because I'm fucking hungry, and I'll see y'all out on the surf on what day is today? Today's Thursday. That's right. This video is gonna be out on Saturday. So probably gonna go fishing either Sunday evening or Monday. So I'm gonna see you guys the next video next video will be posted on Wednesday. That's right. God damn, I'm getting all these dates messed up and whatnot. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on Wednesday. Till next time, peace.